PlayStation Plus subscribers will be hit with price hikes in some regions, and the gaming company has blamed market conditions. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. A basic monthly subscription to PS Plus will rise by $1, becoming $10.99. Meanwhile, a basic 3-month subscription will go up by $3 to be $27.99 respectively. PlayStation did not specify where the rises would apply, but said they do not apply to current subscribers, except in Turkey or India, unless the existing subscription changes or lapses. PlayStation Plus gives users access to online multiplayer, monthly downloadable games, and exclusive PlayStation Store discounts, with 3 tiers of subscription, including Essential, Extra, and Premium. All have different pricing for monthly, 3-month, and yearly options. PlayStation did not update any price increases for the other subscription tiers or what might happen to the 12-month subscription. Some on social media reacted angrily to the announcement, with one person writing, "Online games should be free to play," while another said, "Are the market conditions in the room with us?" The video game industry has been hit with supply problems ever since the US-Israeli war with Iran, and the price of memory chips has skyrocketed because of the AI boom. In March, Sony increased the PlayStation 5's price by £90 in the UK and by $100 in the US due to continued pressures in the global economic landscape. PlayStation's rival Nintendo also announced that it'll hike the price of its Switch 2 console $449.99 to $499.99 in the US, and €469 to €499 in most European countries. While the PS5 sales have fell in the past year, PlayStation and Xbox are still expecting a lucrative year for the launch of Grand Theft Auto 6, which is expected to be one of the fastest-selling video games of all time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.